In last video. Okay, I won't bother you with this episode anymore because I bet most of you slept through it. So let's just start another video. So I welcome you to another video of Total Makeover. Let's start by screwing the socket to the wall. Next, let's tidy up the mess we made last time. And now we're gonna screw with knife all the glue that is excess. Now let's sand it with a sanding sponge. As you see, my dad is using knife here to cut off all the drywall that will interrupt putting the second plaster on. Now let's vacuum all the dust that we made by sanding. And let's prepare to apply plaster again. And now that we are prepared, let's start applying the plaster. And now that we applied the plaster, we can take off all the tapes. And welcome to another day in which we are gonna sand the plaster that we applied in last one. And again vacuuming all the dust that we made by sanding. You may wonder why there are so many stains as I paint, and that's because what I paint with is undercoat. We have to give the undercoat some time so it would dry out, and now after it dried out we can paint with real paint the top coat, which is the visible coat. And that's how the magazine looks after painting. Okay, now that you are ready, we have to take all the things out and take in the legendary commode. Yes, and I know what you think, not this crap again. Here is my dad scratching all the paint that I accidentally and unfortunately painted on the electrical box. Now all we have to do is do all the excess work, such as mounting the socket, cleaning all the dust, all the paint of the electrical box, of the fuse box. So we're gonna do some additions to our Commodore, and it will be an additional space for screw pins. Here I am drilling the holes. I had to make double holes so I can reach and screw down the screws. So yeah, and I am just now screwing the screws through the holes that I made before. As you can see, it was some kind of challenge to me, because to point with the screw I had to squeeze my hand through the tight hole of the container that I was using, and you can see that I am kinda challenged by it. But finally I made it. Now I am putting all the screw pins in. and this is how it looks like. Unfortunately guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, leave a like below, hit that subscribe button with a bell so you wouldn't miss out on any new videos, and see you next time.